Hey, DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to install a painting on your wall using anchors. It's super simple, and I promise you don't need to be a pro to pull this off. First things first, safety gear. Make sure you have your safety glasses and gloves on. Now let's gather what we need: a drill, wall anchors, screws, a screwdriver, a pencil, and a measuring tape. Step 1. Find the perfect spot for your painting. Use the measuring tape to ensure it's centered and at the right height. Once you've got the spot, mark it lightly with your pencil. Next, grab your drill. Choose a drill bit that matches the size of your wall anchors. Now drill a hole at the marked spot. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Now take your wall anchor and gently tap it into the hole you've just drilled. Make sure it's flush with the wall. If it's not going in smoothly, don't force it. Adjust the hole size if needed. After that, take your screw and start driving it into the anchor. Leave a small part of the screw sticking out, just enough to hang your painting. Use the screwdriver to ensure it's nice and tight. Finally, it's time to hang your painting. Carefully place the hanger on the back of your painting onto the screw. Adjust it to make sure it's level and secure. Step back and admire your handiwork. And there you have it, a beautiful painting, securely hung on your wall with anchors. Simple, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Happy decorating!